Hey ladies, if you guys are new to my channel, welcome or welcome back. It's your girl ENC family and me and my sweat nigga and make sure that you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notification bell on so that you guys will be notified every time your girl EC posts a video. So today's video is no other than non-sponsored by Scentbird. I'm not sponsored yet, but we about to build it, y'all. So we are going to test these new scents that I purchased myself, and let me give you guys my review. So the first scent would be called, this is the packaging that it comes with. I just want to show you guys how lovely it is, and it says Scentbird on it. Okay, let me fix my light and you have to go. It says Scentbird on the package, and then as you guys can see, you can turn it. Hold on, y'all. Let me go to a different position. If y'all can see, you guys can turn it. If you turn it this way, then that means it's unlocked. If you turn it this way, then that means it's locked. Y'all see? So this means unlocked. So I'm about to actually spray this so that we can test it out. Oh, that smells so good. And I'm actually about to tell you guys the scent, because I actually do not. This smells so good, and I don't want to give y'all the wrong one. So this one, if you can open it up, you guys, it comes with its cool packaging. It's so nice. And this one is called Draco Tiziana. That's what it's called. Okay, and I'm going to give you guys the exact scent. I'm going to explain the scent. Okay, and this Draco right here, this is what it looks like. And this has bergamot, peach, jasmine, cedar, and vanilla. Because I definitely smell the bergamot. I smell the peach, the jasmine, the cedar, and the vanilla. So that's what this one is. And then we have another one. Let me put this back in the packaging. The second one. And let me see what this one is called first. This is called Christian Siriano. That's what it looks like. Ooh, yeah, sorry. That's what this one looks like. What are you down here for? And this one smells like jasmine petals, amberwood, Madagascar vanilla, and cashmere musk. And I'm about to spray this one. Just smell it, test it. We're gonna see what this one is giving. I don't know. I'm gonna spray this to see what this one is giving. Ooh. Woo! Y'all, that one smells better than a mother. Yeah, that smells amazing. That one smells amazing, y'all. Wow. You can definitely smell the jasmine petals, the amberwood, the Madagascar vanilla, and the cashmere musk. This one, I think, is my favorite. This one is my favorite, hands down. This one is my favorite. And this is Christian Siriano. I just gave y'all a sense for that one. And then this last one is by Hermetica Ambery. Don't get me wrong. But let's see what this one smells like. You open the case. That's what it looked like. We're gonna see what it's giving y'all. Oh wow, it come colored too. Ooh. Ooh. I smell the bergamot, Amber, the Sweet Power Wood Molecule. Yo, go get y'all some. Y'all, I love the packaging. It's so cute. You can take it with you, a little travel size. I love it. Y'all, I don't even know which one is my favorite. I love all of them. I'm like, be with me. I'm taking by storm. Y'all. Y'all. This what that one look like. That's what that one look like. And that's what that one look like. The goat. And when this video go viral, I'm gonna get a coupon code and I'm gonna give y'all it, okay? That's the goal, to get sponsored. So y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notification bell on so that you guys will be notified every time your girl E and C posts a video. And I will be back with the next video. Bye.
May sell it? Show my best friend. Hi, your best friend. Hi guys, just Nina. I'm about to get some more. They said I have one. Mama melon. Mommy wants some mama melon second. I love you.
wasabi ginger dressing.
You like that burger? Oh yeah. Nina had Erica. Mom, Nina still one.
Still want what?
Erica. Here's still baggies.
Mm. Mm.
You want hot dogs for time? How's that looking? Here, put the soya sauce.
Hey babies, if you guys are new to my channel, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl ENC. Wow. Make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notification bell on so that you guys will be notified every time your girl ENC posts a video. Without further ado, we get into this video right now. You see I got the salad going. Put the light on it so y'all can see it. Got the ginger dressing on it, which is my favorite. It's very healthy, and it actually keeps your immunity levels up too as well. So that's why if you guys don't know, ginger is very healthy for you. So if you're sick or anything, not even if you're sick, it's just good to eat ginger. Like ginger is very healthy. It's beneficial. Okay. So I can't have my salads any other way. As y'all seen in the video, I got some wasabi dressing from Wasabi restaurant, but just to give it that extra kick, I added a little bit more ginger sauce just to make sure that every piece of the lettuce is covered, okay? Because we don't want no plain lettuce over here. So we about to eat this salad, which is healthy. Okay. I love me a good salad, y'all. Y'all haven't noticed. I'm trying to eat healthy, be healthy. Yeah. Salads made me so happy. Can you see that?
Greetings, denizens of deep space. Tonight we report from a place on Earth called India, where we investigated yoga.
We got some cucumbers, some tomatoes in here,
Humans sometimes feel as
some
stressed as
cheese.
if they've been chased by lava-fanged monsters from the acid swamps of planet
And season it.
But after stretching and breathing, they're able to yoga and become peaceful again. We're not sure how it works, but take it from me, it does. This is Speed, reporting from the calmest planet in the universe.
Oh my goodness. This is so good, y'all. Very well, super happy. She over here.
I named Kakanina.
They know who you are, baby.
You know what mine is. I play Roblox. I will run it back now. If I want to play like Roblox. That's something.
There's something about that. Wasabi ginger dressing is so good. It's like perfect.
Like healthy coffee.
But you have that perfect balance of ginger and then that sweetness to it. I don't remember their dressing ever being this sweet, but whatever they did to it, I love it. And you know what's crazy is I used to make their sauce. I do think I want to start back making wasabi's ginger dressing because I know how to make the exact copycat version of better. And that's just some things that my grandma taught me that I learned over the years because my grandma was a chef.
Yeah. Are you your best friend? Why are you crunching? Why are you crunching, Mom? You like a crunch? Ow. My teeth will hurt.
Y'all ever ate a good salad? Where the sauce is so good, like literally. If I had to eat salad like every day, I would never get tired of it because as long as they got some salt and pepper in this ginger dressing, I love this ginger dressing. I also love, I don't like Hidden Valley Ranch. I hate it. Don't come for me in the comments. I just don't like the ranch. My favorite ranch would be, I think it's the Wishbone Ranch. Mainly because it resembles more like the restaurants, ranches. Go upstairs. Bye. Like, she just always freaking doing something, y'all. Like, you get on my nerves sometimes. She really just made me so mad. Cause like, my fork would never fell on the floor. She wouldn't be over here trying to reach and play with my dang on food. Like, I'm just so annoyed. Like, today has not been my day, y'all. It's like one thing after the next. Everybody just been trying, like, and dealing with people and negative energy. It's just so much that I can really, like, yeah, I just feel like I just can't open up to nobody. And then you get those bits of ginger in there. Like real ginger. I'm telling y'all, if y'all haven't got y'all that ginger dressing, what are you doing? Go try it. Go try it. And what I did was I added some sugar to the store-bought ginger, since it's not as sweet as the restaurant's ginger. Help, definitely.
Greetings, beings of the universe. Santa Claus, he's seemingly everywhere, but if you want to interview him, this stealthy elf is
I haven't ate anything today. I
If you're on
fasted.
your best behavior, he may just leave you a special treat when you least
I believe it's
expect
after
it. And
5
now we'll
something.
celebrate Earth's Christmas as the humans do, by
And this is
contracting
my
our
first
throat
memory
muscles
of
back and forth
salad.
to form wondrous Christmas noises.
No, so this is just satisfy all my cravings. I'm nice and full, and it's a healthy food. Like, it feels good. I am a girl. I'm a woman who can eat. I might be small, but I love to eat. Salad gone. Nothing but a few tomatoes left. I'm gonna save that for my next salad. In a few hours, I'm gonna eat another salad. Because that's how much I love it. So if you stayed and watched this whole video, I love you guys and I appreciate it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notification bell on so that you guys will be notified every time I post a video.